riding into town again. That's the dump station. Looks like it might rain. Those look a little ominous. Got some rain in them.
Spoiler alert, no rain.
I'm gonna check out Castle Rock Camp Park for you. How you doing? Pretty muddy. Very muddy.
This campground has a really nice beach just off camera here.
These are all rustic. That's far enough. That's too muddy. That's too muddy.
There you go, there's their nice beach area.
Through. I wonder if they have a broken water line.
Since I haven't stayed here before, I don't know if it's a broken water line issue or maybe they just have flooding issue after rain. Can't help you on that.
It's Thursday, but there's some openings. Very muddy. Really don't want to go through all this mud. Very muddy. That's not good.
This is the bathroom and shower house, and it looked like they had quite a few showers.
Looks like the shower stalls on the side. sign said laundry too.
I'd say this is a pretty nice option in the St. Ignace area. I've been through before, and if I remember right, it might be a little bit pricey, but it's a nice campground, and again, it's a good option when you're looking for places. Castle Rock Camp Park, it's called.
There you go, that was Castle Rock. Alright, we're about to go back on the road into the wind. That's that.
I'm gonna try to not show you too much of the bike ride into town, because again, it's about 6 miles, I think, from the casino.
It's weird because there's really not a lot of stuff to see in St. Ignace. I've been here enough times. I just don't have any desire to go back yet, so I keep staying. Win a little money at the casino. So I figure if I go in and win 15, 20 bucks, 15 bucks pays for another day here.
That building right ahead is Lato's Pasties, and they make a pretty good pasty. It's the one in town I'd recommend for you. And we're back into what I guess is called town, and around where the boat launches are for all the ferries that take you out to Mackinaw Island. Again, if you're riding your bike, just be careful. I keep the video running so if somebody goes here, they get an idea of where places actually are. I hope that's helpful and not irritating. I'm following the rules and I'm walking my bike on the boardwalk.
I figure walking a bike can't do any harm, and I'm back on the North Country Trail. Beautiful lakes.
Hey, and following the rules isn't a bad thing. It's a way of showing respect to other people, so I tend to follow the rules. Except for speed limit signs sometimes, I must admit. This is one of the numerous marinas in St. Ignace area. And when you're on Lake Huron, it's a beautiful lake. A lot of people love to come and visit. A marina is really helpful to get your boat there. Well, to dock your boat, you know what I mean.
Can't be happy if I don't walk some of the North Country Trail.
At this point, again, I'm keeping the camera running so you get an idea of where someplace actually is. But there's a lot of little parks and stuff, and if I keep going down this way, there is actually a pretty nice beach right here. People like to hang out. It's pretty cool. This beach, I think, is one of 3 or 4 beaches in St. Ignace. Don't quote me, but there's quite a few different beaches you can enjoy.
Oh, I'm gonna sit by this little table. That's a nice spot. Alright, that's Mackinaw Island. This little beach, that bump, or is it that bump? That's about where the casino is. Well, a little past that. This beach. Lake Huron's pretty.
Now, it's not Lake Superior, but it's still really beautiful. And I always enjoy that even small towns like this realize the beauty that they have right there. And they put a lot of public effort into making it easy for everybody to enjoy.
You might be used to getting fed, but I ain't got nothing for you. Nothing. Ride the wave in. I think you're a young one. Might be molting, I don't know. I don't know a lot about that. Alright, I'll go. Might be mad parents.
Not only public effort, but public money. Up here is a really nice bathroom and changing station for the beach.
Yeah. Just don't feel like leaving yet.
This spot is behind Indian Village Souvenir Shop, which is actually a pretty big souvenir shop. So if you're looking at picking up trinkets, this is one of the options.
Neat sky.
And the North Country Trail, which I've gone on and on about in the past, it runs really long, from North Dakota all the way to the Vermont border. And here, if you want to read this information, you just hit pause, because these are about, what, 2 or 3 second long shots. But again, I shouldn't badmouth Lake Huron. It's beautiful. It doesn't have to take a backseat to Superior. Look at those sights. It's a nice little harbor tourist town. Come check out St. Ignace. I think most people would like it. And going back past a couple of the places that run ferries out to Mackinaw Island.
And up the hill back to the casino. Great and wonderful day. I think the clouds look cool. Even though I think there's rain in them again.
I'm not complaining about not having an electric bike. It's actually good for me to get some exercise in. It's good for most of us to do.
Alright, we're going to try this other little road. It should open up to where the stadium kind of area is. Just to be different. I don't think it could be called a shortcut or anything.
Alright, I guess I'll be honest. There'll be other points where I complain about the decision to get a mountain bike instead of an electric bike, but I'm glad I got what I got. It's a good bike. And there's more people coming in. This place ended up getting real busy. It's a good option at $15 a night. I had a pretty good campsite, I think. Picnic table and everything.
Now, great and wonderful day. Alright, I do this sometimes too. I'm cooking, that's dinner, and that's lunch stuff. Chicken brats, those Johnsonville ones. Sometimes I cook up 2 meals at once. I'm just simple. Steak, potatoes, and the rest of those carrots out of a can, and they're steaming. Fly over. All right, let's eat. Potatoes, carrots, and now a cleaned knife, and I'm gonna cut this and taste it. Hold on. There we go. This is just that eye round steak. With that good seasoning, it tastes fine. All right, YouTubers. Eat your carrots. Probably shouldn't eat so many potatoes, you know, with the starch and whatnot. And I'm not a vegetarian yet. But I hope you enjoyed. Another wonderful day for me here in St. Ignace. I had a good day. And I hope you have a great and wonderful day.